My name is Rinaldo Balaoro Jr. And yes, I was named after my father. That's why I have a junior and my last name. I wanted to take this chance to share some facts and I want you guys to know about me. First of all, I was born on August 18, 2002. Secondly, I am the youngest among of my three siblings. I live in San Pedro Erusin, Sorsogon. I am a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Technology 3H here at Sorsogon State University main campus. I choose this course because I want to experience electrical technologies and I can't move into senior roles such as project management, engineering, or consulting. I graduated my junior high school and senior high school at Galianosa National High School as a TBL cookery. There are a lot of school in college that I took but sadly I didn't pass their quota. But in the other hand, there is a one school I luckily passed the quota. In this school is the Sorsogon State University. Here I am now, my third year college. There are a lot of challenges I faced in the beginning of my college journey. Of the course, my freshman year, first year college, I managed to adjust my time management, exploring different courses and meet new advisors and professors. I started building new found friends and also I connect with my professors. Sophomore year, second year, I dive deeper into my closest field, which is the technology field, and gain some practical experiences. I am slowly adapting the flow of how to be in college. My junior year, third year, I focus a lot of advanced topic and also explore some international opportunities.